today's session we are going to discuss about cash book, features of cash book, and how cash book is different from cash account. Now we'll see what is cash book. Cash book is a book in which all transactions relating to cash receipts and cash payments are recorded. So in this sentence, you should be clear with the term cash receipts and cash payments. For example, the company paying salary to the employees, it is a best example for cash payments. And also, if the company receiving cash through the sale of goods and services, it is a good example for cash receipts. So all such kind of cash receipts and cash payments we will record in cash book. So cash book, the simple meaning is it is a book in which all transactions relating to cash receipts and cash payments are recorded. Now we'll see what are the important features of cash book. The first important feature is cash book is acting as journal as well as ledger. A cash book is used to record the transactions immediately, so that means it is serve as the purpose of journal. All the transactions relating to cash receipts and cash payments, it is directly entering into the cash book. So it is serving as the purpose of a journal. At the same time, it is also a ledger since purely cash transactions are posted in it. So no any other transactions are recording, only pure cash transactions are recording. So it is doing the purpose of ledger, cash account also. So another important feature is substitution for cash account. A cash book is used as an alternative of a cash account made in ledger. Since maximum transactions in the business are related to cash, so it is convenient for the organization to prepare a separate book for it. So most of the companies now maintaining cash book instead of cash account. So that is the another important feature of cash book. And another feature is dual entry and two identical side. Similar to other books of accounts, a cash book also have a debit side that show all the increase in cash along with a credit side that record all the decrease in cash. So like all other similar accounts, so cash book also have a two identical side. And another very important feature what you have to be remember, cash book always have a debit balance. Cash in hand is the principal element of a cash book which is used to meet the day-to-day business expenses. Logically, paying more than the available cash is not possible. Therefore, the business will always be left with a debit cash balance. So that is the very important point you have to be remember. So next one we have date-wise entries. So I already told that it is doing the purpose of journal as well as, so that means if you are entering any transaction when that particular transaction is happened and all the details pertaining to that particular transactions we will record it in cash book. So and it should be a date wise also. So that is another feature of cash book. And finally we have verifiable. So that means the debit cash balance whatever is there in our cash book, we can be verified with the cash in hand in our business. So that these are some of the important features of cash book. So you have to be remember. Now we'll see what are the very important difference between cash book and cash account. So here I have given some of the parameters of comparison. The first comparison based on purpose. So in case of cash book, it serves dual purpose of journal and ledger. No need for cash transactions to be recorded in journal. But in case of cash account, it only serves the single purpose of a ledger. We have to be maintain separate journal for that. So that is the first comparison between cash book and cash account. The next parameter of comparison is types. In case of cash book, there are three types of cash book we have. First one is single column cash book. Then we have double column cash book, and finally we have triple column cash book. So we will discuss more about that in the upcoming sessions. But if you see cash account, there is only one type of cash account we have. So there is no any kind of classification in that cash account. The next parameter of comparison is narration. Cash book have narration which come after the entries. All the transactions pertaining to cash receipt and cash payments, we are directly entering into the cash book, and we will mention the narration. That means all the details pertaining to that transaction if in case of cash book. But cash account, the first we will record in the journal, and it is from the journal it is coming to the cash account. So because of that, we are not maintaining any kind of narration in case of cash account. Another parameter of comparison is dependency. So if in case of cash book are not depending on any other books because it is the book of original entry, or it is acting as the purpose of journal book. But if you see in case of cash account is always depending on journal book. So once the journal posting is done, then only we can create cash account. So that is the main thing here. So it is cash book is always depending on journal book. And the last important difference between cash book and cash account is order of recording. So in case of cash book, the recording of transaction is done directly onto the cash book. But if you see in case of cash account, all cash transactions are first we will recorded in journal book and later recorded in the cash account. So this is the order of recording the cash transactions in cash book and cash account. So these are the some of the important difference between cash book and cash account. So I am expecting that this particular session help everyone to understand about cash book, features of cash book, and the difference between cash book and the cash account. Thank you so much everyone. Have a good day.